Problem number 8 under purchase of super profit method. As I said, the goodwill can be calculated using the formula under super profit method. Super profit into number of years of purchase. It is given calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit. Therefore, 2 years it is given. Now our aim is to find the super profit. To find the super profit, what we should know? We should know average profit and normal profit. If they are readily given, we can take this into account. Or else we should try to find what is there. Partnership of the firm earned during the last 3 years as follows: 16, 17 and 18. That is average profits. We should find in this problem. Average profits is equal to total profits by number of years. What is the total profit? Total profit, amount of total profit is 20,000 plus 17,000 plus 23,000. Plus 23,000 whole divided by 3, that is equal to 60,000 by 3, which is equal to 20,000. This is the average profit. This method we have seen under average profit method itself. How to find the average profit? Add all the profit and divide it by number of years. Here 3 years profit is given. We have added all the 3 years and it is divided by 3. Therefore 60,000 by 3 equal to 20,000. This is average profits. Then the next one we will have to find the formula. We repair average profit and normal profit. And what is normal profits? Normal profits is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. Capital employed. What is the amount of capital employed? Capital investment of the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 80,000. This is the capital employed. And the risk involved, that is the return, is 15%. Therefore, 15 by 100. Simplifying, and what is it? 0, 0. 120. Therefore, it is 12,000. Now we have kept ready the average profit and the normal profit, 20,000 and 12,000. Go to the formula of super profit. Average profit is 20,000 minus normal profit is 12,000, and if you minus it you will get 8,000. This is the amount of super profits. Now we go to the goodwill. Super profit into, that is 8,000 into how many years of purchase? Calculate the goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase. 2 into 8,000, 16,000. This is the amount of goodwill under super profit method. Once again, I repeat the same. As I said in the beginning, there are two methods under the calculation of goodwill. One is the average profit method. And out of that average profit method, there are two subdivisions. One is the simple average profit method. Other one is total weighted profit method. That is weighted profit method. And those two methods we have seen already in the sums 1 to 6. Now in 7 and 8, we are finding or we are calculating the goodwill under super profit method. In super profits, this is purchase of super profit method it is called. There are 3 more methods what we are going to see in the next class. Under each method there is one problem, we are going to see it later. Under this super profit method there are 4 types. The first type is purchase of super profit method, what we have seen in the problem numbers 7 and 8. What is the formula to find the goodwill under super profit method? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. That is the same thing we can repeat. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase under average profit method. Under super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Average profit method, average profit into number of years of purchase. Under super profit method, super profit into number of years of purchase. This is the formula, simple. There, how to find the average profit? This what we do. We will add all the years profit and divide it by so many years. If 4 years profits are given, we will add all the 4 years profit and divide it by 4. If 3 years are given, we will add all the 3 years profit and divide it by 3. This is what we are going to see. Okay, now goodwill, this is the formula. To find the super profit, we should know the average profit and the normal profit. Then alone we can subtract the normal profit from average profit. That is average profit minus normal profit. So we shall try to find this. In the previous problem what they have given, they gave the average profit readily. Readily it was given. But in this problem, average profit is not readily given. Instead, 3 years profit is given. Therefore, we should add the 3 years profit and divided it by 3 to get the average profit for the 3 years. That is 20,000. Then the next term we require the value of the next term, normal profit. Normal profit, it is capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed into normal rate of return. In the previous problem, the capital was not given straight away. There the assets and liabilities were given. So to find the capital, assets minus liabilities, we found it out. But in this problem, the capital employed is readily given. The last problem, average profit was readily given. But in this problem, capital is readily given. So what is the amount of capital? 80,000 it is given into normal rate of return. It is given as 15%. The risk is nothing but the normal rate of return, 15 by 100. If you simplify, 12,000. Now, average profit we have calculated and kept ready. Normal profit we have calculated and kept ready. Now, using these two, we can find the super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. And this average profit is 80,000 and normal profit is 12,000. 20,000 minus 12,000 is 8,000. Now we come to the formula for goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. What is super profit? 80,000 into number of years of purchase. 2 it is given in the problem itself. So 2 into 8,000, 16,000. This is the super profit method. The other 3 methods we will see it in the next class. Thank you.